Thank you, Kenneth. And for our last speaker session, we have Mr. Cheong Jun Tong, COO of Senwave Retail Solutions, Sendir Berhad, to talk to us about retail digital transformation. Mr. Cheong has more than 12 years' experience in IT. He's actively developing retail solutions and automating business processes for retailers. Currently, he's involved in digital transformation of the retail industry.
Hi, my name is Chong Jun Tong and I'm from Senwave Retail Solutions in Berhad. First of all, I would like to thank Virtual Tech Frontier for inviting me to attend this virtual event. And this pandemic has been with us for more than a year and still counting. A lot of things has changed and we are finding ourselves attempting to get used to the new norm. Currently, every industry has been constantly changing for their best, no matter you are retail, you're corporate, developer, or even exhibitor. We keep changing to survive. One of the prominent changes I've seen in the industry is digital transformation. I feel grateful today has been invited to participate in this virtual event. Today, I would like to share about retail digital transformation. Indeed, in today's case study, we would like to pick Seng Heng Electric Sdn Bhd. Seng Heng is one of the largest consumer electric chain store in the country. Seng Heng starts their digital transformation journey many years ago, and today I will share some of the real cases that happened in Seng Heng and how we help them to digitalize their business. From this diagram, you can see this diagram is the digital transformation journey for Seng Heng. This is the total solution that we fully develop in-house. These seamless business modules cover a lot of different modules, which is e-commerce, e-commerce operation, e-commerce automation solution, CRM, supply chain management, fulfillment and last mile, marketing automation, telemarketing, even include HR digitization and data technology. To be fully engaged in the digital transformation, a lot of effort is needed and also involve a lot of different departments. As a digital transformation solution provider IT company, we will basically provide consultancy, training, new retail solutions. We develop and assist retailer to launch the entire digital transformation in few phases, and we will ensuring a smooth and seamless transformation. All the Malaysian retailer now should be moving towards digitization and providing seamless shopping experience to their customer. Retailer should emphasize greatly on customer shopping journey by using cross-channel strategy. This means all the online platform and also offline channel to provide customer with a seamless and unique shopping experience. All this advanced shopping and unique experience rely on a lot of technology and solution to achieve it. Upon learning and inspired by the China retail technology, we decided to establish this retail solution in Malaysia to help our local retailer to upgrade the entire retail landscape. We have a lot of technology and also the recipe to help retailer to digitize. So what is the recipe? Of course, to be in to let retailer transform to e-commerce. The e-commerce website, as you can see from the diagram, is a very basic thing that you need to have a e-commerce. But it's not only e-commerce. We need to make sure the entire e-commerce will be automated. E-commerce is a form of commercial transaction that is conducted online. So we have to build our own e-commerce platform and choose a reliable partner to work with. Of course, we understand that the data is crucial. So we have to install some of the market available tools like Google Analytics to better understanding our website traffic and movement. While you can look at e-commerce operation, e-commerce operation is the activity and process that is essential to make e-commerce success. It involves the purchasing department, the supplier, the product information in different marketplace platform. sales and promotion module, and many more other modules. E-commerce operation consists of few modules here to help to automate the operation process. E-commerce operation reduce the workload of retailer and increases the efficiency of staff to create more sales for the business. Look at PIM, we call it Product Information Management Module. As mentioned earlier, a single e-commerce website is inadequate. So we have to have more platform to run our e-commerce activity. So example, we would like to list our product not only on our website, but also in Lazada or Shopee. So PIM comes in as a very important module. So all PIM, as the name suggested, product information management, all product information, pricing, and quantity are seamlessly synchronized to e-commerce website and marketplace via PIM. PIM could define product category and attribute with ease and allow mass import of product attribution information to reduce the workload. This could reduce the tedious work of inserting data manually into so many platforms. So the entire process freeing up more time to improve our copywriting, to better attract to our customer. PIM also support setting up of alerts or notification whenever there is update in the product information. With PIM, we can import and export, set up product variant and attributes, link inventory management system, and sync to different channels via marketplace hub, such as Lazada and Shopee. Product information management also supports setting up of alert or notification whenever there is any update in the product information. Now look at Marketplace Hub module. With our Marketplace Hub module, we are able to get all the accurate product information from the PIM, the previous PIM. So with the accurate and complete information, we are able to automatically push all those product information to different marketplaces, including your own website, Lazada, Shopee. So there is no need to update manually at each and every platform. And this will save a lot of time, manpower, and also the information are very accurate compared to manually inserting the data, because as you manually insert the data, sometimes you have typo and errors will happen. So Marketplace Hub can push all the product informations to all the marketplace and our own site at a very fast speed. This makes us the fastest retailer to launch any new product in the market. This successfully increase our competitiveness. With Marketplace Hub solution, it's proven that we are able to automate the process and reduce the workload for us to manage so many different websites and multiple marketplaces. And of course, it helped to increase our sales too. Now, look at sales and promotion module. We have sales and promotion module. This allows retailer to set their price and promotion in different platforms. For example, if retailer want to conduct a promotion in your own website, Lazada or Shopee, so they can set the promotion or the date in this module in advance. And when the date reaches, it will automatically sync to the platform. Every retailer need to actively engage in marketplace event and ad hoc event to keep abreast with the latest trend. During the festive changes, example, or single sales day, or flash sales, 11/11, 12/12, failure to do so may detrimental to the retailer, as they may lose out on the sales to their competitor. During certain disasters such as a recent COVID pandemic, there might be a surge of demand in specific merchandise, and retailer would need to act fast and bring their best deal to the consumer. During this time, speed and efficiency are the determining factor where a retailer can harvest the most profit. We know the importance of this, which is the main reason sales and promotion module is built to help get the promotion up, to speed up the product launching in the shortest time. Now, look at the e-commerce automation solution. E-commerce automation solution back-end automated the back-end process involving auto order processing, account connector, and auto payment matching module. This is the process, this is the back-end process where we can use solution that will complete various tasks for retailer rather than needing to do themselves manually. The earlier what I share is on the front side, the front end side. Now is on the back end side. E-commerce auto order processing module. So due to the different e-commerce platform available, we create the e-commerce auto order processing module, which is one of our module under this e-commerce automation solution. This module can automatically sync all the order from all different marketplaces to a centralized portal. So you've got Lazada, you've got Shopee, you've got your own website. So all the order will centralize in this portal. So through this centralization portal, we are able to view all the order from different marketplace and also our own website. So we can save time to go do the manual work, like log into each individual marketplace to check all the orders. So now all the platform that you have, we've centralized the order. Back then, or now, even now, a lot of retailers still need to check their order in every platform and manually issue the invoice through their POS system. This is a very time-consuming process, which require a lot of manpower to do that. Imagine each platform, you have average 60 to 100 orders. Wow, you need to spend how much time to issue the invoice? So with our auto order processing module, we automate the entire issuing invoice process. We managed to help retailer to save a lot of time. We automate the entire process and also we eliminated all the errors because it's automated, it's not by human. So we eliminated a lot of human error. Retailer, businesses or SME could manage all the orders in a single view and all the changes will be synchronized back to their respective marketplace. All the order-related data could be synced, including confirm and cancel order, return or refund, receive after the settlement is complete, or total sell-out, and also expected payment collection info. Everything can be synced. So by maintaining synchronization between marketplace order and ERP, coupled with an order auto processing system, we can improve the back-end operation efficiency to reach to our customer faster, hence reducing all the bad reviews, reducing cancellation, and also managing lesser on refund cases. Look at the old accounting connector module. We understand that accounting plays a very important part in our business. So we created this accounting connector module where transaction record could be automatically converted and linked to accounting software via API. So it is quick and easy to use, often just a click from the user. We could do a quick overview of all the records before they are being pushed to the accounting software. It allows us to view past transaction record. We can easily categorize and filter them if retailer need to trace back a particular transaction. The time and cost saved from having this accounting connector will be tremendous if a retailer is making massive amount of a sales daily. Auto payment matching module. In this module, under our e-commerce automation solution, this module allows us to manage all our transaction record in a single view by synchronizing them from different sales channels and converting them into a single format which is easy to read and understand by the management. So when settlement reports are received, this module could perform automated payment matching and highlight any transaction or order which is not tally. This would eliminate the need of going through documents with different formats and match the amount manually. It saves a lot of time for your finance department or the accounting personnel to pinpoint suspicious record and result in faster resolution. With such automated solution in place, we will not have to worry about growing big and managing tons of transaction. So this increase in cost is marginal, and as most processes are already automated. Of another very important module, which is CRM. CRM, which means Customer Relationship Management. In this CRM, we provide two main solutions, which is Member Recruitment and Member Utility app. We understand how important for retailer to recruit their members and why they need to recruit their members to create loyalty. If you have a bunch of loyalty customer, means your business will be supported by all these loyalty customer. So the recruitment of member, how to recruit in the shortest time, how to recruit happy members, how to make sure our member keep our apps and also continually support the retailer, being loyal to the retailer. We have the solution for you. Member Utility and Registration app. Look at this module. The first module is the Member Recruitment app. We convert the recruitment form into an e-form. Means we encourage member to download our app and register as member yourself. So the recruitment process required the identification card of the customer. So we need IC to help our customer to register. But however, only the picture of IC is required. The information we needed from there is name, address, IC number, so that we can know the birthday month and all information about the customer. So in our app, we are using OCR technology. So we just need to ask customer download their app and then click on the camera, and then customer can actually capture their own IC themselves. So when they capture their IC, the name, address, every information in the IC will be perfectly fitted to our apps, our e-form there. And then customer only need to key in 4 things, which is their phone number, email address if you required, click on the PDPA, and lastly, sign e-signature. And then there complete the entire recruitment process. And one of the two of the important thing is, first, we will have to send OTP number. They have to key in their phone number, and then we have to send the 4-digit OTP number for them to key in. This is to ensure the phone number is valid. And if let's say it's invalid one, they will not receive an OTP number. So with this, we can ensure the phone number and member details are 100% accurate because it's actually from IC, and also we has been verified by their phone number. So when all this information is accurate, all this data is very useful for us, and they become part of our member. So when they become our member, what we need to do to make sure they continue use our app, support our retailer, and keep on coming back as a loyalty customer. So after we have recruited a member, we understand the importance, and we need to create the stickiness for our member to our brand. Therefore, retailer need to have a platform for members to view and redeem their reward. Only by rewarding customer to make them happy, they will actually create the loyalty with your brand. So we will connect and sync the retailer POS system as well, because we are trying to create a seamless shopping journey. And we were unable to track customer spending online or offline. So they have a seamless shopping experience. Whenever they spend, they will earn point as well, and they can check from their apps. So when they reach certain level, this is based on your corporate decision. So when they reach certain point, certain level, they can use the point to redeem the voucher. So the voucher, we can create a lot of voucher types, such as a cash voucher, a brand voucher, point voucher, and many other type of voucher that you actually can set through your back end. Furthermore, we also create value for them to maintain the app in the phone, because we create a seamless shopping experience for them. So no matter they shop in the shop or online, all the point will be synced to their app. And also one very important thing. So when you have this app, you are no longer needed to issue physical receipt. So you can have a huge saving on physical receipt. So all the product information, all the purchase history, the product warranties, and your past purchase history will be displayed directly into consumer app. So they are able to view the receipt, the warranty, and all the purchase history through their own apps. So this is another benefit that actually direct benefit our customer. So when we increases our size of app download, when we have a lot of members and we have the control over the apps, the app also can function as a communication center. As when using app, we are able to blast free notification to the member to notify them for the latest promotion. So providing another alternative for customer to shop in our app, as we are providing this seamless e-commerce solution. So they can choose either to shop in their shop or in the app. And also through different season or Raya, Chinese New Year, we actually can greet our customer through our app by sending notification or voucher to them. So in return, they feel you are communicating with them, so they become loyal and also potential customer. Supply chain management. Supply chain management are very important for every retailer. With effective supply chain management, it will manage their inventory, product, distribution, sales, product replenishment, and also managing costs to make sure the goods are being delivered to consumer ASAP. Look at our first module, Smart Replenishment Solution. Under our supply chain management, we have this module called Smart Replenishment Solution. This Smart Replenishment Solution is a concept that leverages integrated demand forecasting, proportional inventory management, and automatic order generation to create electronic replenishment plans and order. Smart Replenishment Solution is also based on transaction history, your product line, your promotion period, to provide the recommended quantity on inventory level. For instance, our daily replenishment to outlet is automated by our solution. Every 6 a.m. or you can choose the time, we will actually gather all the data, all the information, all the stock that need to replenish. We will automatically send PO to supplier via our B2B system. Our smart replenishment solution is optimal to fulfill both offline and online demand. With this solution, we will further strengthen the company cash flow. In return, we also cut down the offline store workload. Earlier, we mentioned B2B system. We also have B2B, business-to-business module in our supply chain management. Our B2B provides seamless and constant communication and contact with all the parties, including upstream suppliers, downstream stakeholder, and the business entity, as one of the paramount importance. Thus, a B2B system where centralized procurement flow consists of supplier portal, backend capabilities to provide auto PO, GRN processing, and payment matching is required to smooth out the inventory management process. This module, through systematic management, will provide a paperless system and reporting for businesses by using highly customized and digitalized system module to monitor the purchase, sales, and delivery. This will also improve the turnover of inventory by integrating and consolidate resources to save the cost of logistics and distribution. For the retailer digitization journey, the assistance of a systematic and highly integrated management system is a prerequisite. From the initial purchase order, inventory, inbound and outbound, payment and settlement, to retrieving data for the final inventory reconciliation, accounting, and all the branches inventory. In this integrate series of business activities, The real-time monitoring of each performance metric will help businesses. They are especially assisting the decision-making to obtain reliable and robust information data support to ultimately manage the finance and inventory turnover, thus improving the economies of scale for your business. While warehouse management system, WMS, among the total assets of any given business, inventory account for a relatively large portion. Hence, the inventory management quality and its utilization directly affect the business entity financial resources and the operational efficiency of the total assets. Scientific, systematic, and effective inventory management can reduce the level of average working capital occupancy level of the business while improving the inventory turnover rate and the total asset turnover rate at the same time. In view of fortified inventory management, the following aspect can be considered. In view of fortified inventory management, the following aspect can be considered. Number one, clean up unsaleable or slow-moving stock in a timely and periodical manner to improve the capacity of the inventory. Number two, working with supplier with good reputation and maintaining a good cooperative relationship and regularly conducting supplier evaluation. Third, maintain a constant and seamless communication and coordination system or model where interaction with all the functional departments such as the information department, finance department, purchasing, and sales department is always up to speed on the same page. Okay, look at the fulfillment and last mile module. This is quite a very important module to reach to your customer. Fulfillment and last mile delivery is the movement of goods from a transportation hub or your warehouse to its final delivery destination. The goal of last mile delivery is to deliver item to the customer as quick as possible to reach our customer and make sure they receive the item on time while minimizing company costs. Therefore, we have this system. In this system, we also have this delivery time slot booking system. This delivery time slot booking system is when order is received, either online or offline, the delivery time slot booking system will inform the driver which warehouse to collect the stock for his daily deliveries and which areas he need to go on that day. All our driver are required to download this app and follow the SOP and schedule. We automated the entire process for the driver. From the driver wake up, open the app, and then the driver will accept the order. They will know which warehouse to pick up what stock and to deliver to which customer. Look at the product loading and delivery schedule. The product loading and delivery schedule module will automatically arrange which particular item to be loaded into our transportation vehicle and where to load the item. Drivers are being informed the time and location of the day. When the order is received, the system will auto-generate notifications to driver app and notify them their full day schedule. All this process we need to monitor. So we have automated the deliver process by notifying our customer too. So when driver accept the job, we will notify the customer using SMS on the driver information, the driver time of arrival, so that this allows customer to have a better planning on their schedule, and indirectly we save the time of the driver and also the customer by making the process accurate and smooth. We also need to monitor our performance of our driver, and we need to make sure they deliver the goods and make sure our customer is happy as well. That is why we have this customer acknowledgement and rating. So to monitor the KPI and make sure customer are happy, all the item which is required installation or whether we are not required installation, when we deliver the goods to our customer, we need customer to help acknowledge and rate our staff. So this is to ensure the customer experience good services from us, and also allow us to monitor all our driver and installer performance. Now look at marketing automation. Marketing automation is a platform where we can help marketing department to be more effective and efficiency to analyze the market on multiple channel online and also automate the repetitive tasks according to our target group. Retailer can target customer with automated message across email, web, social, and text. Marketing and sales department use marketing automation to automate online marketing campaign and sales activity to increase the revenue and maximize efficiency. Marketing automation allows retailer implement a digital marketing strategy without having to manually press send on each email, message, campaign, or post you create. Our marketing automation tools help you to identify your audience, and then with designing the right contents to the right target, it will automatically trigger the action based on the schedule and based on the target group of customer behavior. This directly increase the total sales of retailer as customers are inclined to purchase more when they receive email or notification tailored to their likes and needs. With marketing automation, it helps retailers save a lot of time, resources, and most importantly, finding the right target customer. Okay, now we move to telemarketing. As we know, MCO, Movement Control Order, was implemented starting last year, March 2020. So during this period, retailer encounter its biggest and most challenging crisis in their operation. All the outlets cannot operate and staff are obliged to stay at home. So to overcome and mitigate these critical situations, a telemarketing app was born and developed. The app enables all the staff to communicate with customer, keeping in touch, greeting, and most importantly, conducting the sales and service activity. Telemarketing app successfully turned 2,000 of Seng Heng staff from offline retail into telemarketers so that they can continue to reach and keep in touch with the customer. This app will push a conductive for calling 10 leads to each telemarketers. Once they are done with their calls and update their calling status, telemarketing app will be auto-replenish another batch of new leads to the telemarketing agent. So telemarketing is beneficial by minimizing human error by providing step-by-step automated script. So by utilizing this, our telemarketers will be able to know the status of each lead through step-by-step tracking. The pre-script in a multi-language message will also minimize the lead time of each prospect. All the relevant information will be provided to assist our telemarketing in closing the leads. For example, the high-level profile of leads such as birthday month will be indicated as birthday campaign, and then the point, the balance to remind them to utilize it, and then actually remind them to download the Seng Heng app or view their point and do their purchase through their app. So the second part we are able to manage through telemarketing app will be the visibility of customer journey. For example, retailers are able to track the first contact point with the lead by sending a link. It allows also knowing the leads that click into the link or not, because we send the link to them, they click or not. So upon clicking the link, retailer can know if this leads has downloaded and logged into the app. Has the customer redeemed the campaign voucher through the apps that we send them for rewarding them to download the apps, or by having such clarity in the customer journey, it really helps retailer to strategize and make better decision to close the lead. By continuing serving customer through the telemarketing app, we manage to close the deal through understanding what our customer wants. We can send a link directly through telemarketing app and asking customer to make the payment via the link. Once they make the payment, we will be being notified and we need to deliver the goods to our customer. Example, I'm using telemarketing to communicate with you, and I find out you need a refrigerator badly. So I will actually just send you a link to make payment directly through the link, and the payment will be on the fridge. So I will receive notification when you pay, and then I'll contact you again, say the delivery is on our way. So this is really keeping in touch with our customer. Look at data technology. Data technology is about BI, is about business intelligence solution, mainly facilitate businesses with analytic report and dashboard. Other services here include data integration, fulfilling ETL, processing need. Our services are focused around the 6 key components of data technology: data capturing, data preparation, data warehousing, data mining, data visualization, and data security. This solution have proven positive result to steer the businesses into the right directions of sustainability and incremental profitability. Each of our solution that we mentioned earlier in this session, all the module are based on SaaS, means software as a services model. It is a subscription basis for each module. You might not need all. You might need to start your digital transformation journey step by steps. So we allow you to start to engage by module. So those who actually retailer that looking for someone who actually want to guide you through your digital transformation process, you actually can look for us, because over the years we have all this experience, and also if you don't have experience, the cost of infrastructure and the cost of development is really very high, and you will actually make a lot of mistakes throughout the journey. So look for a proper partner, look for a proper solution that actually can help you to go through the digital transformation journey. So now in this society, no matter what industry you are in, you have to go through transformation. If not, you will be stuck at your level now. So when you go through the transformation, it will only possible to break through the chain and go out of the box. But transformation not only require a good system. Another important issue also, the operator, the operation, the bosses, the management, they need to lead to change. They need to take the role as a leader. By taking the initiative, then only can affect the whole corporate to go through this digital transformation. If you'd like to know more how we can assist you to transform, you will see a QR code there. So please scan the QR code, leave your contact there, and I will contact you. Thanks for your time. Thank you. Thank you very much.